Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in Quest HR. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, to get logged in your Quest HR, you need to tap open your preferred web browser on your MacBook. Once you open it, you need to type in the URL www.questHRSC.ehr.com. Once you do this, you'll end up in this page, so simply tap on the enter section in the employee column. After you do so, you'll end up in this interface where you need to type in your username of your account and your password of your account as well, and tap on the sign on button. After you are done tapping on sign on, you will get logged on in your Quest HR account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.